In today's tech video, we're going to take a look at this camera right here. This is the brand new WiseCam Outdoor. We're going to unbox it, give you a good look at it, and I'll give you my first thoughts on this camera. That's today's tech video. Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. So today we're going to take a look at Wyze new product in their line of cameras and products that they offer. This one here is the WiseCam Outdoor. I'm very interested in seeing what this guy can do. I just picked this thing up. I got it delivered off of a pre-order, and I want to see what Wyze can do with the outdoor camera that is becoming more and more popular in today's day and age because security cameras are becoming more affordable, and Wyze has always been one of those cameras that has been in the budget price level as far as the security camera industry goes. But now they're toting their very new outdoor camera that you can pretty much set up anywhere. You can put it on a tree, maybe a post or something, without having any of those wires that you need to run to maybe a power source or a power outlet to give it some power. So I wanted to pick this thing up just to see how comparable this is with some of the other cameras that I have checked out previously. Now, I have been a fan of Wyze and their products in the past, mainly because they are pretty cheap. You know, I mean, you don't want to break the bank whenever it comes to some of your tech, and they have always done a pretty good job of keeping their products at a budget price level that a lot of consumers can afford. Their regular cameras usually come in around $20, $25. Now, I picked this one up on a pre-order deal, but I have a feeling that when these do come out, they're probably going to be around the $80 to $100 range. Now, included in this camera, you do get a base station. So a lot of these outdoor cameras, it's not just a camera that you plug up and you know, or get a battery put in and mount it and away you go. A lot of them do take a base station that communicates with your wireless Wi-Fi network in order to get these things to work, because that's what takes the image that's on the camera and sends it out to like your mobile device, so that way you can watch whatever is going on that camera from wherever you are at mobilely on your smartphone. But yeah, I think the concept is really good. I really like that. I've never really had any issues with those base station models. I do own a Blink camera, and those have performed very well for me. I've got a couple of those set up, so I'm really going to be interested to see how well this does against the Blink camera. Now, some of the other cameras I do own is the Amazon Cloud Cam, and then I owned another just generic camera that I don't even remember the name of because it was so junky. But let's go ahead and unbox this thing and show you guys what it looks like and what all you get inside the box. Okay, inside the box, these are all the components that you get. They give you an AC power adapter, a quick start guide. They give you an Ethernet cable. Right here's a micro USB cable. This is the Wyze base station, some mounting hardware, a sticker here that says I back the Wyze Outdoor Cam, and then here is the actual cam itself. Okay, first look at this camera here. It has like a matte finish on there. It's not real shiny, kind of like that. It is that white branding that Wyze is popular for. On the back here, there is an open tab. You open that up and there's a micro USB portion and then an on and off button there. And then you're able to take the base and maneuver the base around, so that way you can position it the way you want. It's got some holes on the bottom here, so that way you can mount it onto something with that hardware that they give you right here. It's got some rubber feet in case you were just to place this on something that's flat, hard surface. That's got a little bit of a draw to it, like, oh, and it's magnetic evidently. So pops it on and off. Right here, a micro SD card that you can put in here. There's a sync button there. So this is a first look at the Wyze Outdoor Cam. Now this thing does have a little bit of weight to it. Now some of the specifics with this camera is it does have 1080 full HD live streaming whenever you are viewing or playing back. The battery life on this thing is supposed to be up to about 6 months of battery charge. It's water resistant. It's an IP65 water resistant, wire free, which I'm a big fan of. And then Wyze gives you a free rolling 14-day cloud storage program that records up to 12-second event videos. One of the things that they recently put into effect was that they bought out some company that does some type of person detection system. So this camera is supposed to have that latest and greatest technology of being able to capture motion detection. There is night vision on this camera as well, and then expandable storage. On the box here, they do show it mounted onto a tree. So it is nice that you're able to pretty much install this thing anywhere you want. They do have like a hummingbird on there on the branding of their package because it does boost that 1080 HD recording. So yeah, I think that that's going to come in pretty handy whenever you're even needing to pinch or zoom into the video that you are in. The higher the HD quality, the better it is. Okay, so this is the unboxing of this video here. Make sure to stay tuned. I'm going to be making a full review video on this next week to come. Well, thanks for watching this video, guys. If this video was helpful, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until then, take care.